Welcome to the place where words meet heart. I'm here to share beautiful lines by beautiful people. And today I have this poem by Ankur Mishra. It's called Nritya. Now, by this Nritya, I feel after reading this poem that the Nritya he's talking about is the observation, what he's doing about himself, the observation that he is experiencing in his life. Like he is having a third person perspective of his own life. So he says, आज मैंने नृत्य देखा, तस्वीरों का, अरमानों का, वीरानों का, बेगानों का, हैरानों का, परेशानों का, परवानों का, दीवानों का, पीने और पिलाने का, आकाश में स्वच्छंद छलांग से उड़ जाने का, चलने का, रुकने का, जीने का, मरने का, आज मैंने वाकई एक नृत्य देखा. So he's talking about tasveere, which is like a picture. What does a picture hold? It holds a memory. So it is talking about past, the whole story of past, or a picture of an imagination that he wants in his life, maybe a future or an event. अरमानों का desires, वीरानों का loneliness, बेगानों का strange feeling, हैरानों का which shocks him, परेशानों का he is getting bothered. Also now he is acting like a moth or a dance of moth where he just like the moth gets attracted to the flame. That kind of दीवानों का, that kind of lover he is becoming. पीने और पिलाने का, now where he is drinking himself and other people also are drinking with him and he is offering them this drink. आकाश में स्वच्छंद छलांग से उड़ जाने का, now also this observation of independence that he wants. Then चलने का, रुकने का, जीने का, मरने का, now walking, stopping and living and then dying. Movement, then stillness, life and death. And आज मैंने वाकई एक नृत्य देखा. So now here the poet is sitting in silence and maybe he is reminiscing about all these things. He is, reflecting on his own life, and that is what he is talking about in this poem. That is the dance he is seeing in this poem. And he is also helping us to see a similar kind of story which might be happening in anybody's life to experience through this poem. Thank you so much for listening to me. I'll see you in next one. Till then, bye.